Have you ever wondered why, when you're investing in the stock market, you can't just get in on stocks that are going up and cash out when they're going down? We are changing the game of investing by flipping Wall Street from the elite few and their insider money game by leveling the playing field for the rest of us and empowering today's investor with cutting-edge technology, education, and informational empowerment to preserve, protect, and grow wealth over time. We utilize world-class hedge fund expertise with decades of experience inside of our software to do the research work for you, to get in on stocks on their way up and cash out when the time is right, before they go down, protecting your hard-earned portfolio. So to cash in on this Flipping Wall Street opportunity and begin to grow your wealth over your lifetime, click here to watch our full presentation.